How many foot-pounds of torque you torquing him?
Just 2 ugly doggers.
The wheels loose.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Today we're gonna be swapping out the tires on the iced Polaris Pro XP. Right here we got some smoked 30-inch Maxxis Carnivores, and we're gonna be swapping those for a new set of 32-inch ITP Terra hooks. We got all 4 tires off the ground. The RZR's jacked up on blocks. Let me tell you, jacking this thing up and putting it on blocks is a job in itself. It's next to impossible to put jack stands on an arched A-arm. Today we're gonna bust out the DeWalt impact driver and go to town. Oh, 1 tire off. Here's tire number 2. These tires are heavy. Let me grab the John Deere. Woo. Got them loaded up. Let's see if we can make it up to the house without them falling out. We're out with the 30-inch Maxxis Carnivores, in with the 32-inch ITP Terra hooks. Let's get them swapped out. W's coming back to the dealer, huh?
Yeah.
What's wrong with it now?
It's got some recalls on her.
You heard it?
That's 6.
Shouldn't you know? You bought it.
Yeah, I just put money out. I don't know what year it is.
I don't know why they called him. Probably because his name's on the title.
I would have bought you the same one I bought Caleb.
But I told you I wasn't getting an Audi unless it was 2022. And you wouldn't buy me a 2022, so I settled for 2006 BMW.
We got rubber for days out here. We got the old tires over there, and we got the new tires just mounted on the wheels. Let's see what they look like side by side. Here's the old clapped out stock 30-inch Maxxis Carnivores. Let's see how they look against the new ITPs. These are my old tires. You can see they're pretty much smoked. And then these are the new ones. Look at the knobs on them. The new tires are sitting a lot higher. These are 32-inch tires. These are 30, so we have an extra 2 inches. I'm gonna get these new tires mounted. I'll catch you guys back in a minute. Check out what I just noticed. Look at the scuffs I have on my wheels. I don't know if they were like that before I took my wheels down, or if it happened when they were installing my tires. Not that it's that big of a deal, but wow, I did not notice my wheel was that scuffed up. Either way, it's a Polaris RZR. It's meant for off-roading, so I ain't too worried about no scratches or scuffs. Well, that don't sound good.
Yeah, I kind of clipped the garage with the bucket of the tractor yesterday.
But you hit the garage.
Yeah, I put a self-tapper in there, fixed it right up.
If that isn't a rig job in itself. Can you literally drive anything? You get the Ranger stuck. No way, both Ranger and the RZR are stuck. Wow, we can't drive in our neighbor's yard. We're done mounting the ITP Terra hooks, and wow, do they look nice. I'm gonna get the RZR off the blocks. We're gonna pull this out of the garage, and we're gonna take a look. You can already tell that the RZR is gonna be sitting a hell of a lot higher.
Bro,
What?
is this your first time buying tires?
Well, for the RZR, yeah.
You act like that's a big deal.
I got the new ceramic coat to protect the plastic on the RZR. I'm just kidding, that's literally ice. Probably cracked the whole plastic underneath. How many foot-pounds of torque you torquing them to?
Just 2 ugly doggers.
What do you think about the tires?
I think they're great, and I think your dad bought them.
Why is the winch broken?
Because you climbed the tree with it.
Whoa, whoa.
What?
The wheels loose. It's not ready to fall off.
We're supposed to tighten it up.
I did. 2 ugly doggers.
Maybe you need 4. Really?
Yeah.
Dude, Carter really could not tighten these lug nuts. You hear he hit the garage.
Yes. He hit the garage. He had one of the tractor, and this one. Carter! I can't drive nothing. That kid should lose his license.
Yeah, he should probably not be operating.
Anyway,
These new tires definitely changed the appearance of the machine. 32-inch tires definitely made it a more of an aggressive look. It's a little bit higher off the ground. Hopefully the new tires fix the bottoming issue I was having with it.